Hi guys! Today we're going to learn how to load the dishwasher. First you're going to rinse all of the dishes until they're clean. Some of the dishes can't go in the dishwasher, so you'll have to wash those by hand. You see how this bowl is not getting clean with just water, so I have to take a special tool to scrape out the food. Now it's ready to go in the dishwasher. Open up the dishwasher and pull out the top drawer. Smaller items go on the top. Items like cups, mugs, smaller bowls, cooking utensils, or anything else. Now we're going to move on to the bottom. Gently pull out the drawer and you're going to put your bigger items. Things like plates, larger bowls, and any Tupperware. And then you put your silverware on the side. Check if your dishwasher is full. If it's full, add soap and turn it on. If there's still more room, keep filling it up. Now check your sink to see if your sink is full or empty. If it's empty, you did a great job.